But we're here to teach you guys. We're here to share our knowledge, and that's pretty much it. Everybody's going out and buying all kinds of gear and rifles and pistols, and they're not investing in the training. And the training is just as important as ammunition or magazines. It's pretty much half the fight.
With that said, you know, we understand that fighting is bang, 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 come up, do the reload, and then come in here. All right, you're developing a bad muscle memory at that point. The point is to develop proper muscle memory today, so when you take the intermediate class,
stuffing a pig full of gauze while your buddies are laying down suppression fire.
all right, real quick, front sight, rear sight. All right, even though we're going to go into this one roster, actually, any questions?
Everybody's working, fine work! Hey, hold on. Are we gonna reach one ring?